Yeah, I didn't realize you didn't have it until the other day when somebody brought it up. So then I was just like, all right. I mean, everyone else has it. Okay, well, the 5 minute has not inversed, but potential confirmation setup here on the 1 minute. How did everyone do this morning? It was kind of. I don't know if being married to shorts was the play this morning. I mean, when did order flow switch? We never inversed this. We came back up. We never inversed this. I mean, here we have the order flow, right? At least, but we need to wait for the 5 minute to flip. So that's kind of what I'm waiting on. We do have a 15-second short here. Looks pretty A plus to me. So if you have a lot of conviction in us going down here, this 15-second is A plus. Like I said, internal versus external. I'm waiting for the 5. 943 was a great play. The long, yes, even with the equal lows, I think it was pretty good. And I actually also really liked there was a short here that was really good. This ended up being a loss. So if you took that loss, I think that was a good loss. So we have the 5 minute closing here in about 30 seconds. It looks like price is going to close below. I might jump in early here, actually. Yeah, this is going to close below. Oh, order rejected. Oh, no. 3, 5. Oh, my God. My trade of 8's bugging. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's not letting me enter. Oh, no. My trade of 8 just crashed. No! Why? No! No! Oh, my God. Why? My trade of 8 just crashed at the worst time ever. I've never seen this crash. Oh my god. Okay, there's the entry. Get in there. This is an alert. Go break even at the low here. This is A plus. Dude. Oh my god. Trade of 8 is not responding. Great. Oh, what the hell was that? Right. Give me a sec. I gotta fix this. It's okay. I'm actually just gonna get a better entry. So trade of 8's actually gonna come in clutch here. Right, right, right. I get the retrace entry versus the shitty market entry. I mean, God, who enters via the market? What? All right, we're good. I guess I'm short here. And if this loses, I think this is an A plus loss, so I wouldn't even mind. But yeah, let me get that screen back up. So because I got a much better entry, I'm just gonna go break even when we re-hit this low. I will say there's one thing we have to be concerned about here, which is the fact that this 1 minute was hit and it's still respecting. So technically here, I mean, technically the 5 minute already went invalid by hitting that 1 minute down there. Um, this has like a lot of wiggle room. We have the SMT, but realistically, if we're bearish here, this order block should not break. So if this breaks to the upside, that's a really bad sign. Why this short would fail, I have no idea. We're coming off the extremity. I mean, maybe it's because we don't have delivery here, and ultimately buy side is these highs, right? So maybe conflicting draw. But I think structure-wise and liquidity-wise, I think it makes more sense to be bearish just based off the fact that this was kind of a liquidity sweep here, and then we have the SMT there. And obviously, order flow kind of switches there. So that's kind of how I'm feeling about this. Yeah, still running to the 1 minute at 108. Exactly, exactly. So, like, I guess truly order flow hasn't completely switched. And I guess you are targeting a protected low, but I mean, it's not really protected anymore since we created the SMT at the high. So, honestly, I don't know. This is about as the worst A plus setup you can get. It's about as bad as it can be, and still be A plus. But yeah, I mean, obviously this is about as bad of a reaction as you can expect from a trade. I mean, I have no idea why price inverse is a bullish for value gap and then flips bearish. If this loses, I'm just going to be on eval for the rest of the day because this has been like horrible price conditions, like just really really bad. Maybe Nvidia news. I don't know. I don't know. Another potential re-entry opportunity here on the 32nd. We need to see this BPR break. Wesley, we have an SMT, so there's our sweep. Delivery, okay, maybe delivery's not the most bearish here, but delivery in this case would kind of be from this like 30-second BPR maybe. I mean, I know we closed above, so I guess it doesn't really count, but to me it's pretty close. I mean, we're coming off a rejection block, so maybe rejection block delivery. And we have a bunch of sell side targets below. We have an unfilled 1 hour, or sorry, not unfilled 1 hour, unfilled 15-minute here for like first TP. We're gonna put in an unfilled 1 hour. I think this is A plus. I think Dodgy would take this. I mean, the only thing is delivery, right? Delivery is like the worst component of this trade. Um, but obviously the fact that we didn't get through that last 1 minute. But yeah. You want to see us take out 802? So you wanted to see us take out the high first before reversing. That's fair. The thing is, with taking out this high, we don't really get delivery, okay? So, like, yeah, it would be nice to take it out, but we actually really need to take out 819 in order to get, like, really good shorts. My entry right now is 763. I'm in here. So my stop is pretty tight. It's only 15 points. My risk to reward here is pretty good. Yeah, good thing my Trinivate crashed exactly. Actually just saved me some money. I'd be down an additional 10 points right now. All right. 15-minute looks pretty atrocious. Doesn't look good. 5-minute not looking great either. No SMT at the low. Are we not shorting into a 5-minute bullish gap, or does this not matter? No, we're not shorting into a 5-minute bullish gap. I know what you're talking about this one, but because we have the SMT, this is actually a new dealing range on ES, so it's not internal versus external. Would this give us better confirmation for us going down? Absolutely. But you're running into a 15-minute if you wait for that. So I figured, okay, this is very V-shape. We have the SMT. Structure here is good. Sweep of high of day. Um, I don't know. Now, you could have been like, okay, this is clearly bullish trend day scenario. Maybe we don't want to short today. And that's fine. But if it's going to be a bullish trend day, I'm probably not going to look for longs, and I'll probably just be eval in the rest of the day. Um, why we wouldn't get a reversal here with this structure, I have no idea. Like that's the funny part. Because realistically, like we have everything that we need to reverse here and head lower. And the fact that we're not is just really confusing, and that's why I think it's better to just trade eval today because price is not doing what it should be. And I think today is just like a bad PA day. I've told you guys in the past, February hasn't really been a good month for me. January's kind of been a break even month for me. I don't know. That's just personally. Now, I mean, as far as the model goes, I think the model does fine in those 2 months, but yeah, why this fails, I have no idea. We just made it a higher high on ES. Maybe it fails because of the news. Yeah, I mean, this is gonna be a fail. Wow, wow, wow. What is news? I don't know. Something about Nvidia. So yeah, I'm stopped out there. Um, Lost 15 points on it. Beats me. I don't know why that lost. I guess the 3 minute held. I mean, dude, what the hell is today? Yeah, honestly, I'm not trading the rest of today. Today is horrible. It just doesn't make sense. We're just in like a big bullish trend day. All right, well, I guess we can expect now like 819, 802 to come in. I'm okay with taking that loss. Like I said, I thought it was A plus, so I'm always going to take an A plus loss, and that's fine. It is statistics at the end of the day, right? So yeah, 819. Maybe we get a reversal from there. We'll be tapping into a daily bearish gap, so we could see price take out the high inside of the daily gap and then reverse. I guess we don't really need 819. I didn't realize there was the daily gap still there. Um, I guess maybe in hindsight, we really do need 802 here. But yeah, about 15-ish points away now. I mean, we have this drawn liquidity, this high inside the fair value gap here. Um, but yeah, I don't know. I figured that didn't matter given the way that price swept AM high, but I guess price did not care. So if we take out 802 here, I guess we could maybe see the real reversal. I mean, as long as you used good risk management there and you didn't, lose too much, like I think if you entered off the original entry, yeah, you took a max loss there. Um, about what, 25 points. So as long as you didn't risk like more than four or five micros, that this will be easy to make up with a good, reversal play or something like that. So reactions to daily gaps are usually significant. If we pump through this daily gap and don't get a reaction to 802 here, then we'll most likely go for 937. And at that point, there's not really much we can do except just watch price do its thing. Um, these are just insanely bullish candles. This 5 minute back down would be pretty good though. So looking for a bearish reaction, we're coming into the macro. Now this would be A++. Yeah, we can absolutely look for shorts now. If we get shorts, this would be the best opportunity to do it that we've had all day. I think we were a little early in hindsight as well. Maybe that wasn't an A+ trade, but I still think it's at least an A setup. At least an A setup. Just because of structure there. So I'd still take that. But now there's nothing left above. And if we just continue to pump here, then it's just okay, clearly bullish trend day. I mean, this just made no sense putting in equal lows there and heading higher. Like this was very weird. I could see this being AMD though. Yeah, that's crazy. The 3 minute held. Okay. So I'm gonna readdress my initial call that this was A+. This was a little hasty. This was an A setup. This will be 100% A+. Not a doubt. And I think I do agree with you, Wesley. I think I was just a little early. So, if we get this, I'm still going to take it. I'm going to basically re-enter where I got stopped out on the first trade and ideally, make more than 1 hour so that we can end up doing another session. But if that doesn't happen, well, so be it. I'll just be red. Is 819 significant or no? I mean, it's another liquidity target, but I don't think it's necessary because we're inside of a daily bearish gap. So I mean, it's an obvious high. We can watch to see if it'll get hit. Clearly, if we pump up past this high, then that's going to be where we go next. But I know you don't put a lot of emphasis on trend lines, but the 820ish area would align with the bigger trend line resistance. Yeah, no, I don't pay attention to that. I think if you want to be a little crazy right now, you could even potentially like short early here. This is not really a bullish reaction. Just be like, I wait for key levels to be swept and then wait for inverse for value gaps. There you go. You just say something like that. I mean, if they're expecting an essay out of you, they're looking at the wrong field. So equal highs now. Yeah, I think we're just in a bullish trend day. We are just not getting any sort of bearish reaction yet. And this will be my condition though. If we inverse the 5 minute now in series, I'll become bearish then. That was a good reaction to the high. How many accounts do I have? 25. Oh, Travis, gotcha. You were asking Travis. Okay, so 5 minute put in there. Dan Freeman, what's wrong with Apex? I mean, yeah, they've had a couple issues in the past, but nothing as bad as Top Step, nothing as bad as funding ticks. I mean, they have a little bit difficult rules. They're good value. What do you think about the 2 minute long at 336? Let me go back and take a look. We'll actually go over everything today here in a moment, but I'm trying to keep an eye on oh, A plus. Yeah, I don't even have to look at that for more than 2 seconds. It's A plus. Yeah, for sure. Nah, I remembered. We talked about it this morning, or maybe Dodgy did, about Trump speaking. Um, I don't really think it should affect price too much, him speaking, but we'll see. I mean, if he starts talking about anything to do with energy or the economy, then yeah, I guess that maybe. I mean, that's the goal of every prop firm's business model, though. I'm confused. Top Step's business model is the exact same. If that Yeah, I don't know. Every prop firm is not on your side. They benefit when you lose. So if you're going to trade with prop firms, you have to go into that knowing that that's their business model. Even Top Step. If Top Step really cared about the trader, they would not only have changed to a proprietary Top Step X um, trading platform. If they really, really, truly cared, they would give traders the option to choose what brokerage platform they want to use. So I just if you're gonna switch up on Apex because they are trying to make sure that you lose, or not make sure, but they benefit from you losing, well then that's every prop firm, and I would just recommend trading live funds. Travis, because they see you as like a winning trader, and they don't want winning traders. They want to. Like we just talked about. They stand to benefit from losing traders, so they don't want you to be able to rinse, fresh evals and just get payouts and that kind of thing. They did the same thing to me. Okay, so clearly not really getting anything right now. We could run into a scenario here where we've moved around a lot today. We hit our target. Now that we've hit our target, there's not going to be too much else for today, potentially. What up? We did get a 5 minute entry. I lost on it. Yeah, but it was before buy side, so it was like an A minus A setup. I rated it A plus in live time, so it was yeah. So let me give you some context. We had price, yes, sweep the high. We had an SMT. We didn't really have delivery, and we had a like textbook, 5 minute V shape coming off of a rejection block with unfilled 30 minute below. So I was like, you know what? I don't know. I thought this would be okay, easy break even. If we're still bullish, okay, we come back down, tap the unfilled 30 minute, come back up. Maybe we get a 50% retrace before heading higher. I really like the liquidity sweep reaction at AM high. I was like, maybe we save it or something. But yeah, obviously, didn't happen. But yeah, in hindsight, probably not A plus. So 819 is now the target, and I guess if we don't see a reaction from there, us tapping into the BPR, all that, then 935. This could be accumulation, manipulation, and then 2 o'clock now. Put in, we get this 2 minute FVG. Need good momentum here. Ryan, I don't know if you're here, but what do you think about shorts now? From the daily bearish gap. Oh, really, Munchies? That's funny. Yeah, dude, it's good. Did we get an entry for the longs though? Did we? Did we? Not really. Nah, they just went without us. I guess the 30-second, right? But even that went invalid, so not really. Oh wait, actually, this one, this long here, inversing the 1.5 point gap. That one, that was a lot of risk to reward there. What do we think about this 2 minute short for real? I mean, this looks like AMD, right? Dude. Dude. I'm because the risk is so small, I'll probably just take it. But this isn't really an alert. This isn't the setup that I need to like confirm that we're bearish. This is just like vibes, like a hunch. Okay. And most likely it'll be a break even trade. So there's that too. Okay, no inverse yet. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, I'm gonna. I guess I'm gonna take it. I'm just gonna take it like this isn't an alert, but I want to see if it'll work. The risk is so small here. Like if it fails, I lose 7 points. If it wins, okay, maybe I make 700 points. Who knows? Yeah, no 1 minute, no 30 second. Really, this play is just off vibes. I mean, this gap doesn't give us any tell of an order flow switch yet. So realistically, I mean, this could pretty easily fail. This is like a B setup, subjectively. Now, if we got the 5 minute, that would be good. We inverse both of those gaps down. But yeah, like I said, not an alert, just something I'm trying, kind of off vibes. Take this at your own uh, risk. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we're just not bearish. Okay, well, so be it. Oh, wait. Got 20 seconds. And I guess it failed. But it didn't because there's like an inception gap here. I don't know. Mid price action. I just have my stop pretty much at the high, like 808.5. So if it gets hit, it stops me out. Great. My entry's at like 800. When you have Word 50K funded, what do you use to risk to make the buffer for drawdown? Well, on the Lucids, I used like a mini. So, I mean, oh, on Apex? Oh, I just use like, most I'll use on Apex is 3 micros on a 50. Or actually on 5 micros on a 50K. Yeah, we hit the buy side. I'm trying out a short based on vibes right now. Oh, 819? No, but we don't need it, I don't think, because we're inside of a daily. Okay. Would you be looking for shorts now? Still no. Okay. True, true. Even though we're inside of a daily bearish gap, you just would rather see price push past it, hit buy side? Okay. I mean, yeah, we're in a bullish trend day, so I get it. Yeah. Yeah. Black Friday. Maybe it's all the recent engagement on your social media posts because of what you did with the Discord channels, or I don't know, man. When you have that big of an influx of people, it changes the culture, and that's what we're dealing with at the end of the day here. The drastic culture shift. Hey, I'll catch you later, man. Have fun. Speedy, the vibes of the Discord are more important than $100 a month. Also, did my shit just crash? Why is the oh is the market moving for you guys? Oh my god, did Trade of Eight just crash? Wait, Trade of Eight may be worse than Top Step X. I'm in a position right now and Trade of Eight's crashed. Dude, what is happening? Oh wait, we're back. We're back. Can I go to break even yet? No, we made equal lows. Okay. Come on, one more tick. Alright, 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 alright. Let's see. See, Top Step X would have been done for the rest of the day after that. Trade of 8 came back in 2 seconds. So we're good. Can we hit the low, please, and not leave these equal lows behind? Also, we're so uncorrelated. ES just hit its high. It left behind here. And NQ is like down here now. So I don't know what to think right now. This might just be bad PA. Come on. So another SMT at the high. We are in the green. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's break even for you? At the lows here, whenever we sweep the equal lows. If we can do it. Cass is just doing nothing. So 212 now. I'm actually just gonna get out of the position here for break even. This is bad. I honestly don't even care. Yeah, this is stupid. Like, if we were really bearish here, we would have gotten the momentum already. We would have seen price deliver during the macro. We wouldn't be leaving equal lows. So it's fine. Speedy is holding. Let's see if my break even saves me. I was really thinking PM was going to be good today. And then we got that set up, and I was like, oh, okay, this is it. This is what we've been looking for. And it just hasn't happened yet. So I'm pretty much just going to set alerts. And I don't know. I guess we'll see. I made a mistake on that last trade. You know, seeing price react in a bullish way and not getting out early, because normally I don't do that, but in these conditions I feel like you have to. I mean, we are just so bullish for some reason. Still have 819 above. I guess that could be why. ES is just look at ES, man. ES wants this high. So that stop break even does save me. So that's good. Well, I guess mortal time. What if it's like deuce? There is another O. Like this. I don't know what this is. What if it's like oomph? Interesting. Interesting. shows on the screen too. What do you mean? Oh. 2026 PA is cooked? Nah. We're good. We're fine. Everything's going to be fine. Remember, we had this exact conversation back in August. Price is cyclical. How many weeks of good price action have we had? How many weeks? 5? Like a lot. Like basically all of December was insane. Okay? So now, and I don't know how many of you guys have been here for a while, but we've talked about this several different times in the last year, where we have this period of bad PA and everyone starts to get doom and gloom and they're like, God, this sucks, right? This is your moment to test your mindset. This is your moment to test your patience and be like, okay, if I just weather the storm, there's gonna be clear skies. And if you just wait, just chill. 2 days in the context of the full year is nothing. Okay, there's 250 trading days in a year. Less than 1% of the year is right now. So if you just wait, we have NFP later this week. We have CPI, I believe, next week. Okay, there's going to be opportunities to make money. We have JOLTS tomorrow. Okay, if we just wait for OSFL, if we wait for, I don't know, we just have to be patient. And honestly, today wasn't even that bad. We just had the wrong bias. And honestly, that 5-minute loss was avoidable, but I don't think it was a bad trade still in hindsight. I think it was an ace setup. Because I've seen us miss like buy side liquidity targets while having a lot of sell side, right? I'm always gonna like weight the sell side liquidity target more if there's more of them, and if order flow switches, which it did on that 5-minute, then I'm gonna be like, okay, there's my bias. But the 3-minute held, and we still had buy side above, so that's why that play lost. But like I said, I don't think it was necessarily a horrible play. It was just, you know, they lose every once in a while, and if it's not A+, well then... Down 200 is great. I'm actually red today too, so don't even stress. You guys are always like, reliable always finds a way to get green. Nope, not today. I am red, and I plan on being red. So, it is what it is. It sucks too, because it's on the Lucids. And the Lucids are already kind of low on the drawdown, so... I'm hoping that I can turn it around these next few days, but if I can't, well, then we got to go back to the drawing board on the Lucids and go back to evals for a bit, but that's okay. I can make it work with 750 drawdown. 750 drawdown is still manageable. If I get down to like 500, I'm full porting it though. So I pretty much just have one more losing trade. If it doesn't happen, I'm taking that last 500 drawdown on a mini. I'm gonna look for a setup with like 25 points of stop loss, and if it doesn't happen, yeah. But here's the thing, Seb. If I start risking super small, it's like I might as well just trade the eval. You know, take 2 days to pass them and get 2K drawdown versus having to deal with 500. Like, I don't know. That's just how I feel about it. Is it probably smarter to like, I guess, wait and be patient and, you know, do whatever? Sure, but that's what I'm doing with the Apexes. With the Lucid, these are my kind of like, okay, you know, let me see if I can get 2 payouts a month on these and go from there. Like if I was tight on money, I would 100% value saving it, but not really. I'm not really in a position where that matters. Yeah, dude. We're all in longs right now. Exactly, Seb. That's what I'm hoping for. So if I like take another loss between now and Friday, and then I leave myself with 500 drawdown, if I get a good OSFL setup with $500 drawdown left, I can turn around the accounts, and then I'm good. If that doesn't happen, well, Then, yeah, back to the drawing board. We buy 5 more evals and run it back. And I mean, that used to be my strat. That's what I would do with the MFFUs. That's what I would do with, um, yeah, just the MFFUs, I guess. I used to do that with the Apexes back when they had different payout rules, but now I don't do that. The U.S. and Venezuela are in talks to send Venezuelan crude exports to the United States, U.S. government, oil industry, and shipping sources. Wow. That is crazy. I can't believe I got Oomph in 4. That's kind of funny, especially with the way that my guesses worked out. Speed that stuff. Okay, party boat, quarter squads, clear balloon, flush stuffed, rich pack, pad deep, flat, full, straight digs. Digs, pad, quarters, flat, quads maybe? Could it be quads or what's the last one? Digs, is it digs? Alright, let me try. Yeah, okay. Rich, stuffed, full. Oh wait, flush, straight, boat, quads. There you go. Rich, full, stuffed, deep, pack. No. Okay. So 2 are right, 2 are wrong. Full stuffed, deep. I don't know. Balloon, stuffed, full, rich. No, 2 wrong there too. Wow. Okay. All right. All right. Let's think. You think balloon and party? Clear? I don't know what this is. Equal lows here for the short, if we got it. So maybe we. Oh wait! This could be good actually. Let's lock in for a sec. 15-minute gap aligns with the equal lows. If we take out 819 and get a V shape, we're probably gonna lose on it because it's a short. But imagine. Like I said, I'm done trading. After that loss, I'm good. But you can still watch it. Pack full stuffed balloon. don't know. One away. One away from this. One away. Maybe it's this. Did we guess this? We guessed it. But this was 2 and 2. So this improves it. So this is in it. So it's one of these three that isn't it. It's one of these three. So which one of these don't belong and which one of these do? It's one of these three that are it and one of these three that isn't it. I think it is balloon. I don't think it's full. I don't think it's this either, right? We guessed this? Did we guess clear? It could be this. Do you want to try this? What? Balloon animal, party animal, pack animal, stuffed animal. Dude, we could have gotten that. So that's wait, is that 2 connections in a row that we've lost? Have we ever done that before? Would you be on the charts for the 2:15 news tomorrow, or not really that important? What do you mean? You mean 8:15 or? I wouldn't worry about the 8:15 news tomorrow, but the 10 o'clock news tomorrow is going to be good. I think. Yeah, because this is just like the estimate. Dude, clear. I don't understand this. What does sonorous mean? Oh. That's so stupid. This one we could have got, though. I figured it was like one of those, but yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay. Well, that's fine. Wow. So we lose. We lose. Was that our first trade of the year that we lost, or did we already take a winning trade this year? I think that was the first trade of the year, right? So wow, lose our first trade of the year, lose connections twice in a row. All right, guys, I'm gonna come back in 2027. Shut it down. Honestly, guys, years that end with a 6 aren't that good for trading, so we should just come back in 2027. This could be anything. Nice, Speedy. I maxed out my Roth and my 401k this year. What is this? Oh, it's what is what is this song called? Why you always in a mood? All right, mood. What up? I said it's not as important as this first high. I said if we blast past this first high, then we're gonna go for this high. If we break, if we got a liquidity sweep at this high and we didn't break structure, this high wasn't gonna matter. Let me guess. Let me guess. Let me guess. Ooh, let me guess. Let me guess. Let me see who's in here. I'm gonna guess. Well, I'm gonna like throw somebody under the bus if I just throw a random guess out. So. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That narrows it down. I was actually already gonna guess Sohan. No, him. Interesting. Interesting. Oh hell yeah. Hey, I mean, it'd be really silly now if it didn't hit. Okay. We're gonna get a text from we're gonna get a text from Peter. What? Bro, I already sent it. Tommy Pickles, 780. Wow. Okay, can we go down now? Maybe, please. Can we do anything but go up? Ooh, 30 seconds short. Longing in premium on a bullish trend day. Shorting on a bullish trend day. This is true. This is true. Okay, let me explain further since I don't think Dodgy really got it. How many times have we been in a day where we're targeting a specific level and we get married to it, but because there's like a 4 hour gap that forms or there's a higher time frame gap that's in the way that acts as a roadblock, we never hit that level, despite coming very close to it. How many times has that happened before? So what I was saying simply is that if we have a liquidity sweep at the level that's inside the fair value gap and price creates a bearish reaction, I won't be married to that last high. Now, did that happen today? Did we get a liquidity sweep? Did we not break structure? Like, no, right? So we can obviously conclude that the next place for price is going to go is 819, and we've already mentioned that. So wait, why is this 30-second kind of printing though? Okay, let's actually lock in here. Where can we look for like our first potential reversal? What are we thinking? This like 5-minute OB, if that forms. We still have the highs on ES here as well. You're saying 3-minute? Honestly, I don't like any of this here. If I'm gonna like actually look for a short, it has to be this gap, which sucks, but that's what has to happen. I need to see the additional confirmation. I can't just take a short here. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an alert down here, and if it hits, cool. If it doesn't, well then, no trade today. What about the 3-minute? I don't like the 3-minute. You mean the 3-minute also? I mean the 3 and 5-minute here would be good. We got both of them. Was there a good long opportunity during PM today or no? I mean, just this and the 30-second was invalid, so no. So yeah, there was really no way to take longs, just the short today, which we got wrecked on. That's about it. What, 5-minute around 12:15 long? Yeah, that was before PM though. But yeah, the 5-minute long at 12:15 was not good actually because we were running into a 15 minutes. So yeah, wouldn't have taken that. If anything, it was this 1 minute here that got break even. Never would have taken these longs with equal lows below. Now, let's go back a little today and let's address some of the longs from this morning. We had this 1 minute long with equal lows below. Obviously, that printed. Then we have this short here that fails. Then we have this reversal here that there's not really anything too obvious. I don't think, right? Yeah, nothing really there. So nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing here. So really, it was just a day of nothing. No long opportunities. Short opportunities all lost. This setup here, though, even though it was outside the kill zone, which we're not supposed to trade past, but this I actually really liked because IO fed reaction out of the 15-minute, good low to target inside the gap here, and obviously equal lows below here. Now the problem is order flow wasn't bearish, and that was the whole problem with today's. We actually never flipped bearish once today. It was all bullish. So whenever you're in like a bullish trend day scenario, make sure that you're waiting for all time frames and order flow to completely switch, or else you're going to get stopped at a lot. But yeah, 1142 was good. Really good A plus mechanical setup subjectively. Like I said, I mean, longing on a bullish or shorting on a bullish trend day is just going to get you wrecked. So. How does order flow switch? Like, what do we look for? We look for price to start disrespecting bullish PD arrays if we're looking for a bearish order flow switch, and that didn't happen today. We just continued to respect bullish PD arrays. But yeah, Travis, yeah, I mean, that 1 minute short did look really good. I also lost on that. Like a 15-minute, yeah. So we want to see higher time frame and lower time frame order flow to switch. I want to full port something. Give me a signal. Okay, full port short sell. 2-minute short is gonna cook. Let's see. Maybe. We'll see. Trade debate tripping today. My orders disappeared. Yeah, I know. Trade debate's been bugging for me also. But at least it's not down. So I guess there's that. Bears, the only one that I know of is Trade Zella, and I thought they were pretty good, but are we attempting to short off the 5-minute IFG if inversed? Yes. Yeah, that's the only way I'm gonna take a trade today. I have an alert set there. Another trade, I mean. Back to Bandle, you think so? Yeah, today might be over. I mean, sometimes this will happen when we hit liquidity targets. We just drop for the rest of the day, so that could definitely be the case. But we'll stay on, obviously. I mean, how are you guys doing with the loss today? I mean, honestly, we probably could have waited and taken a better setup or just not taken anything, but we're all in this together, you know? We're all in this together. It's really not a big deal. It's just I don't know how morale could be this low when we've just had such a great month, you know? Exactly. It's just the way she goes. Learn and move on. There'll be more days. Yeah, exactly, crypto. What is this like? All the leaves are brown, and the sky is great. What's the name of the song? California Dreamin', right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We'll go back to wait, multiplayer. Interesting. Why isn't it letting me? What happened? Oh, here we go. Okay. Something by Usher, right? Yeah. Let's see if we inverse this 2 minute to the downside. I mean, what do we think about this? It took forever to inverse, so this could at most be like, what, a B setup? Maybe I'll just take it for fun. We're in the macro. Do I take another short off vibes? I don't know, the vibes. The vibes have been so off today. It did hit the next low, so it's invalid now. If we just watch. I have no idea. This is MJ. It's oh, this is dumping. If you're in a short here, go break even at this low. Why you'd be in a short here, I don't know. But 13 mil. Is this that one song from Stranger Things that they just? It's this, right? Yeah. All right, let's go to this one. That's not bad. I have no idea. I'm gonna be honest. I'm trying a short off vibes. I'm gonna target the equal lows and just that be it. Not an alert. You guys can do whatever you want, but I don't know. Just vibes. Hey Sal, how's that short that I alerted for you working? Nice, nice, nice. Created equal lows. Well, this was probably silly. We leave equal lows. You know what that means? We're actually not going down. My girlfriend just walked in. She's going and hanging out with my sisters this afternoon. So she was just saying bye to me. So many equal lows today. Yes. But these are the ones that are finally gonna hit, right? Right? Reliable, what's my TP? 794. Going for 15 points. I just want to make back my loss from earlier. Is that a stupid way to trade? Absolutely. Am I probably gonna get wrecked? Absolutely. Alright, 3 o'clock here. Honestly, going break even here. I'm up 5 points, so whatever. Entry price 809.50, so I'm about to get break even. And break even. All right, well, so be it. That's funny. Hey, W break even though. I'm the best. I'm just joking. I'm not the best. We are red on the day. Well, 2 minute long here, I guess. FU long. I don't know. Is this like working at the car wash or something? What's the name of the song? What's the name of the song? Let me look it up. Oh, it's called Car Wash. So I'm just not right. All right. This one? Oh my god. 2003. Oh, really, Electron? Let me see. Huh. Let's take a look at NVIDIA right now. Well, pretty flat. Green Day? No, not Green Day. Last time I checked, Green Bay was an R&B and funk. Crazy in Love, that's a good one. Wow, okay, so the break even there does save us. Hey, good job, guys. Oh, wait, this is Beyonce too. Right? Halo? No, right? No, not Halo. Not Halo. 30-second confirmation setup short here? This could be... What do we think? I mean, shorts just don't work today. The price conditions are horrible. So eval. It's gonna be like some other female artist at that same time. I don't know. Oh my gosh. What is it called? This is JT, right? Crimea River, right? Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, what was that at the end? Kind of sounds like Santana a little bit. But I know, I mean, I feel like everyone has sampled this song. There's a 30-second inverse. Another vibes play, maybe? Go break even at the low there. All right. Vibes are playing. Bro, nobody has anything. I feel like that's so much information. All right, I'm going break even there. Get me these equal lows. Come on. Come on. If we go down a bit, I'll actually I might make money on options here. Probably not, but maybe. Dude, I had $17 left on my Robinhood, and I literally just put a $10 put option for $2 out of the money. Like it's not hitting. Oh my god, it is Motown. What is it? Not Beatles. Robinhood doesn't close options I think until 3:45. And and oh boy. Oh god. Oh god. 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 2 ticks, 1 tick. Ah! 2-1. Oh, how did I not get break even? It hit it. It hit it. It was on. 2 ticks. 1 tick. It's on it. Oh my gosh. How did I not get break even again? How did I not get break even there twice? He was on the entry. Huh. Alrighty then. Oh, hooray! 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 I was saved. Say a little prayer. Thank you, Al. Thank you. Finally. We get it done. Two 2007 890. Now this could be Halo. Nope. Well, what is this? Black Eyed Peas? What is it? This one? No. Where's the love? No. And there goes my stop. Darn. Break even again. What was that candle? Oh boy. Oh, it's Alicia Keys. No one. No one. Yeah, yeah. Okay. There we go. Come and get your love. Yeah. Right. See you later, Dad. What is this? Sounds like some 50 Shades of Grey type shit. James Brown? Oh, that could be it. Oh. There you go. Good job, Fahrenheit. Madonna? Or is this too early? Anytime I hear cowbell, I just think lowrider. No, that would be different. Different tempo. Let's move, right? Or let's groove. Let's groove. Is it this? This is actually Stand By Me. Finally, we actually get Stand By Me. That's crazy. We finally got it. Bro, it's so funny. For those of you that haven't been here, we've been guessing Stand By Me for like 9 million songs for I don't know how long, and we finally get it. Is this more Earth, Wind, and Fire? It sounds like the same instrument they used for the last one. Like fantasy, I guess? No. Oh my gosh. Is this the Bee Gees? Finally? Yeah. Right? Get down on it. What's the name of the song? You should be dancing. Get down on it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Kool and the Gang. Okay. That's Motown, right? But this is the 80s. That doesn't make sense. New Jersey. Interesting. '65. Oh, so good. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. All right, this thing's gone. This thing is good. I didn't know James Brown had so many hits. Then again, I'm not really tapped into this music scene. You know what I like, Fahrenheit? Early 2000s, 2010s, girl pop. It's just what I can recognize. All right. Let's see. 15-second God short for the Fahrenheit right here. Lauryn Hill, you think? Good job. Stomp and clap music in 87? Does it need to pass the entire 5-minute FEG for it to be a valid inverse? Yes. So if we're looking at this, it needs to inverse both of these, right? Not just the first one. Because what can happen is price can come down, and then we can end up respecting this gap here and come back up. Okay? So we need to see both get inverse in order to confirm that we're going to head lower. Okay? So maybe something like this, right? Inverse here. Stall, go down from there. Okay? Does that make sense? Because this is still bullish order flow, right? And as we've established, in order to confirm a bearish bias, we need both order flow and a draw on liquidity. And right now, we just have a draw on liquidity. There's no order flow switch. So because of that, we're probably just going to head higher. I don't know what this is. 87? Like, how am I supposed to get this? Any guesses? Kind of sounds like On Top of the World by Imagine Dragons, like that kind of thing. Faith? George Michael? Wait, now I kind of have to hear this song. What is this song? Oh my god. This is some white music. Let's see. 30-second short here. Off the rejection block. Creating the 30-second OB. Equal lows below. Whitney, I like that. Nope. I don't know. Wait, what? I know. It sounded really close, and then I heard that. Okay, it's a different song. Sounds like a banger. Oh, MJ. It is a banger. Which one is it? Is it Rock With You? Not MJ. Who is this? I really like the production on it. It's really good. All Night Long. Interesting. Oh, wait. What is this? Is it Biggie? Biggle. Biggle. It's not. He's not on here. Oh, there you go. Wait. No, I could see it. No, it's na 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 na. What's that song? It's that song, right? Tom Tom Club? No. It's this song, right? Fantasy? I guess is what it's called. Yeah. Fair enough. 2002. Here comes the 30-second short, maybe. Another short off vibes. What? What is that? What's with the strings? What? What's a glockenspiel? It's like a big block of wood. Oh my god. What's it called, guys? My boo? No matter what I do. What is it called? All I think about is you. Right? Dilemma? Hey, let's go. celebrate good times. Come on. That's funny. Oh wait, the 30-second triggered. Well, oh well. If you're in this, go break even here. Oh, there's the break even. Let's see if this the winner if this is a break even trade. I think we know the answer already, right? Oh wow, I'm so surprised. Oh, that's what it was. Dang, if I'd have just waited. Which one? 67, right? So Shaka Khan? Shaka Khan 67, right? Wait, that's not right. What am I saying? Everyone shut up. Just everyone shut up. Just nobody talk to me right now. Bro is at his cubicle with the chart pulled up. Let's see what he just leaked of his work. What do we got going on here? Bro's working on a spreadsheet. Let's see. Let's pull this up. Oh, the image pasted is way too large. All right, let me try this. Let's see. Dude, why did it open with Adam? I don't want to. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. Let's hit the ultra zoom. So we have for the Dow Chemical Company. Hey, I used to work there. All right. Let's see. It says all right. We need to clean this up. Let's see what he's got going on in his tabs. We got something management. I don't know. We got let's see, anything in the trash can? Hmm. Any executions on here? Hmm. What do we got going on here? Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. All right, let's see. It says plan something something. Something about ACDC. Hmm. Yeah, we do need a Jarvis enhance. Wait, big bottle of lotion hidden behind his monitor. Where? Hmm. I don't see it. All right, let's see. Hmm. 2 something p.m. So not the same time zone as us. Okay. All right, let's see. We got Oracle. We got Copilot. We got the Butterfly. I don't know what that one is. We got what looks like maybe CS:GO. We got a bunch of other shit. I don't know, man. I don't work a 9 to 5. Chrome. Chrome user. that? Nah, that's not it. Okay. All right, so we got PHEP here. We got PH something here. I don't know. Seems like potential security risk right here. I don't know why we're sending screenshots of special corporate documents. However, we do have a potential 1/2 minute short. The image, the raw image you sent is so much better. All right, guys, should we call it? It's been 2 hours of just straight chop. Is there anything else that you guys have to ask me for today, as far as questions or clarification on why we took that stupid A setup short? Why am I such a failure? Because you don't believe in yourself, Sal. Believe in yourself a little bit more, and what you put in is what you get out. Each are probably going to be good. Probably going to hit all them equalos. Can you donate to me? Sure, yeah. If you join the giveaway, I will make sure to rig it so that you get one account. All right. Anything else? I don't want to leave you guys, but I don't really know what else we're gonna get today. All I'm gonna be taking is more vibe shorts. I think it's unlikely that we get the 5 minute. If we get the 5 minute, I'll alert it in chat. So, what accounts am I giving away? 50K flexes, 4 of them. If you guys review my WAP, if you guys are a member of PM, or you guys get a payout in the month of January, that's how you can enter up to 4 entries. Yes, Lucid 50K flexes. $320 in total value. Wow, pretty crazy. Okay. Well, if you guys have any more questions that maybe you didn't ask here or you didn't feel comfortable or whatever, shoot me a DM. I'll make sure to get those questions answered. I'm gonna keep my eyes on the chart here, so if we get the 5 minute, I'll make sure to alert it for you guys. And yeah, I mean, we'll try again tomorrow. Should be a pretty great day. I know it's a bit long, but what time was the 1 minute? I wasn't here. The 1 minute? What 1 minute? We took a 5 minute short. The 5 minute short happened at 1:30. No, 5 minutes short. It was like this V shape. We had an SMT here. We didn't hit the daily high, so we still had buy side above. So in that regard, it wasn't a good setup, and we were in bullish trend A conditions. So honestly, probably A minus setup. Won't take it again in the future. That was my bad. But yeah, on that note, guys, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Alrighty. Peace out, everyone.